How's it going, y'all? I am here with a series that definitely caught my eye for two particular reasons. It's about cooking, and it's got a big old dog in it. And I like cooking, and I like big old dogs. Not in tandem, separately. Alright. With that being said, y'all, we're going to be checking out Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. We are going to be doing both the openings and both the endings for today. I think I'm going to really enjoy this. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. It seems like the name is pretty self-explanatory as long as it is. It seems like it kind of covers all its bases. So with that being said, y'all, before we get to the reaction, make sure to like, subscribe, check out the Patreon. We got a bunch of exclusive content over there and a bunch of unedited content also. Let's get on to the reaction, y'all. Nice. This is really nice. Okay, yo. Da, 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 da. Hey. Huh? Hey, cool. Is that his like dog? What? He got like a familiar, bro. What the heck? Okay, got okay. Dude, this wolf is cool as shit. And then he's got a slime with him. Wow, wow. Look at the character designs. Wow, wow. So what's up with the internet kind of coinciding? Can he control the internet? Can he just get whatever he wants? Or is he like a chef in his brain? Wow, look at this. That's how my dog be looking at my food, bruh. No way. It's got powers. They've got powers. Oh, he can just buy whatever ingredients he wants. That's kind of OP. Wait a second. You're telling me that this guy got sent to a new world, right? An isekai. And what his power is that he can just buy food on the internet. Or not specific food. He can buy ingredients on the internet. Is this an... I got so many questions. Does it make him a better cook? I think that this is already such a cool concept to me. And then the additional, just very appealing character designs is just kind of convincing me even more to check this out. I'm not a big fan on isekai, but I'll indulge every once in a while. I'll probably rate this a 7.5. I'll give it an 8. I'll give it a 7.5, not an 8. I give it a 7.5. I like the music. I like those drums. I like how wholesome it sounded. I also like that pickup. The animation, as unique as it was, there wasn't too much going on. With that being said, y'all, let's get on to ending number 1. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bring on Kuma. I'm gonna bring Kuma the dog. There's Kuma the dog. She's gonna be checking out this with me too. That's Kuma. Say hi, Kuma. Hello, thank you. Good job. That's probably as much of a review as you're gonna get from her. So with that being said, let's continue on with the ending. This dude. Whoa, look at this art style. It's like concept art. Cool. This makes me feel nostalgic, low-key. It's like comic art. It's like Western comic art. Look at that. I like that he just befriended a random slime. Hey, hey. I'm feeling this music. I'm feeling this music heavy. I really like this one. What's up with that lady? Is she like a god or like a princess or something of the verse? Oh, I did not notice that it is a Mappa. It is a Mappa production. Really cool, actually. Oh man, no wonder it looks so beautiful. I am gonna rate that one straight up just a 8.5. That was just very unique. I like the slideshow aesthetic, especially for an ending. It's very simple. Music was very standout. I actually might download that like right after this video. That was a very, very good song. Very simple theme, very simple narrative. Kind of once again just followed the gang, and just really cool how expressive everybody is, especially the animals. Like the wolf is very, very, very expressive, very proud, smiles a lot, growls. Like it shows every sort of range, or it shows a range. Sorry. Yeah, guys, let's get on to it. Opening number 2. Dude can get anything. He has Uber Eats in another world. What the heck? Yo. Oh, they are like it's like a god of the verse. Checking them out. Whoa! Look at the character. The dog is so cool. The familiar. I love that look so much. They got a dragon. Oh. Yo, look at the animation. Really dope, actually. Wow. Was not expecting this. I thought it was going to be a very simple concept. The slime can eat? Wait a second. Ah, dude. That must be a crazy annoying. Cool. This is I like this one definitely more than the last one. This has definitely more adventure feel to it. Woo! Yep, good pickup. I like the different scenage. I keep on using different scenes. Look at this. Different areas. Yeah. Absolutely love that one. I think that might have been my favorite opening of the day. I checked out a bunch for today, and that was very, very fun. Just matched the vibe so well. Just the music and the theme was just very wholesome, but in all the right ways. Like it made the character feel well-rounded. It also showed just the right amount of like other cast members, supporting cast, without deviating too much or feeling overwhelmed with the amount of characters, while also progressing the scale of the world. It looks like they're adventuring around a bunch of different landscapes and scenery and different areas, and I love that. It really kind of goes from like, oh, random guy with isekai power to like, okay, this person's gonna be an adventurer in this world, and they're gonna use their quirky ability in a good way. I'm gonna rate this a 9.5. I have a little bit of bias, but I actually really enjoyed this one. Also, the wolf looked really cool. With that being said, y'all, let's get on to ending number 2. Oh, very nice. I like that they continued on with this 2D theme. Okay. Same with the other ending. Yeah, this is like an even better version though. Look at this. The frames look cooler. Hey, are these the same musicians? Oh, bruh. The ending music has been hitting extra. Oh, are all those gods? Nice. I like this a lot. I wish some anime were just like filmed, like recorded like this, or made like this. No way, that looks good. Dude's kind of cooking, literally. Hey, hey, hey. Definitely feeling this one too. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Like another great ending. That one was more so. It was just more so a continuation of the last ending. I really like that they had one sort of consistent. They're having a sort of consistency with the endings that they got here, and I like that. I think that while other anime tend to sort of experiment a bit more with their styles with endings because a lot less people pay attention, this one kind of fits. They're kind of sticking to a little narrative here, a little plot, a storyline, and also they're sticking to a very specific, distinct style of art. So I like that also. I think that's very, very unique, and I think they should continue with that if they're continuing on with this story. I'm gonna rate that flat 7. I like the music. I like that hip hop influence. I like the artist was spitting. Really like that. And then it was just a simple the art direction was again nothing I haven't seen. Very good. With that being said, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the reaction. I really did. Kuma did also. Make sure to like, subscribe, check out the Patreon. I will catch y'all later. Peace.